guys, welcome back. Chef Brian here from the Gooder Cooking Show at Mari-Mann Herbs. And as always, behind the camera, out of sight, out of mind. Hopefully we don't have to hear from him. Hi, Alan. Okay, moving on.
We just had a olive oil explosion.
Yeah, we did. I was cleaning, I didn't get enough water out of there, and oil went crazy, and it was just a mess.
It was pretty funny.
Yeah, because you didn't get burned. Hey, walking around Aldi's the other day, yet again, I spoke to my friend Brenda from Aldi's in Mount Zion, Illinois, and she pushed me down, folks.
Which was really funny.
And we had to call Caterpillar to get my big old you-know-what up off the floor because, you know, come on, that's a fat joke.
They had to take the roof off.
I caramba. All right, hey, listen, we found one. Check this one out, guys. Pesto Tortellini pasta, right? Perfect size for a dinner for one, maybe for 1.5. Perfect lunch after for the next day. So we found this. It's a pesto tortellini at the store on the shelves at Aldi's. And I was walking around, I was like, man, we need to add a little something to that. Check this out. Fully cooked grilled chicken in the refrigerator case. Alan likes this stuff a lot.
Yeah, I do.
So we've got a little bit of chicken in there. We've got some turkey bacon in there and some grape tomatoes. Right, so we're going to throw in some garlic. Not a lot, just enough to give it a little bit of flair, right? So reading the recipe on this, you got to add in the pasta, right? And it says in the recipe, you need to add, Alan, let me use my water, over here. Hold ya. So hard to get good health. So what you're going to do to it is you're going to add in the water, right? So this is going to be one skillet cooking, folks. So in goes the water, and then it's the package of the flavor mix. And this is where, if you can see the green, because it says it's pesto, so that's the basil that's in there. So all we're going to do now is bring this up to a full rolling boil. We're going to let it cook for just long enough to let those tortellinis cook through and get tender and good to go. You could serve this with some garlic bread. You could serve this with some crusty breads of sorts. How about a salad? Gosh, this would be really great with a really good grilled chicken or some sort of a baked chicken or something. But it's just a simple item that you could use instead of eating pre-made yuccola. You're cooking for yourself, you're making it something simple, it's fast, it's good. What do you want to add else in here? You could add broccoli, cauliflower, carrots. You could add any kind of mushroom you wanted to it. You didn't like to use chicken, wanted to use a little bit of ground beef, go ahead. You want to use a little turkey, go ahead. You want to add a little shrimp, go ahead. Oh, and by the way, folks, I'm registering a formal complaint against Brenda at Aldi's, and I think it's her fault. I don't think it's Aldi's corporate, but I think it's her fault specifically. You can't get the seafood mix right now. I'm very disappointed because I wanted to cook one of these recipes with the seafood mix, but I couldn't get it because they're not offering it right now. So, I'm very heartbroken. I can see that everybody's truly concerned.
Oh, just wait, we'll have some good seafood soon.
Yes, we will. But anyway, so you're going to let this cook. And you got that boiling, it's all in there. Now what's happening is this tomatoes breaking down, the acid's coming out of that, the turkey bacon's in there, the chicken's in there, the sauce is going to come out of that, that pesto sauce is thickening up, those tortellinis are blooming, and everything's coming together. But what else could you do to it? I'm like, man, that just really needs to have a little something extra. How about this, folks? Just a little splash of red wine in there to change up the complete complexity of that. Extra depth, extra richness in there. But you say, wait a minute, Chef, that's not enough. We need to come up with something else. Well, first off, Alan almost forgot it again. We've got to get our gooder in there.
That's your fault.
Oh, okay. Well, that sounds right.
I'm blaming it on you.
Okay. So in goes the gooder seasoning, but here's the thing. So I want to enrich in that. We're going to add just a spoonful or so of my friend Liz's spoon herbal sauce to enrich in that and deepen that and get that sauce so nice and rich and thick. But Chef, I don't like red wine. Then add white wine. But Chef, I don't drink wine. Then don't add any in there. The idea here, folks, is just to show you some simple cooking ideas to get you away from eating all kinds of yuccola and get you back to eating good, fresh food. Lots of fresh vegetables in this would be great. You could do a couple different kinds of tomatoes in here. You could, as I said, the chicken's in there. There's turkey bacon in there. It's endless what you can do with it. Have fun with it, enjoy it. But that's the beauty of food, right? You're going to let this cook up. Let those tortellinis get soft. Ouch, that's hot.
Dummy.
Pretty much so. Let those tortellinis get soft. They're cooking away, coming together beautifully, nicely. You're good to go. You're talking 15 minutes or so. You've got one heck of a great dinner, because all you would do then, folks, is right into your bowl, right into your pan. You have got pesto tortellini with a little red wine and a little bit of spoon herbal with chicken and bacon. No dirty rims.
No.
Just that quick, a simple cooking idea for Mari-Mann Herbs and the Gooder Cooking Show, brought to you by Aldi's, with products right off their shelves. Hey, guys, remember, we get to have these fun little videos because we're free and we've got veterans to thank, so always thank a veteran. Remember, cooking gooder brings the love out in your food, and please respect the blue line. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.